Okay, let me start on the path to doing this problem over here. And what I notice is this thing right over here is the difference of perfect cubes. And I realize it's really tough to write this stuff down, but what are you going to get? You're going to get x plus a minus 2b minus x plus 2a minus b. Now, of course, that's just the beginning part of it. Then what do you get? You're going to get x plus a minus 2b squared plus x plus a minus, and I'm just starting with this, okay? Whoops, sorry about it. Let me get my eraser out. So x plus a minus 2b times x minus 2a plus b. And yeah, I know it's problematic. And then what do you get? Plus x minus 2a plus b quantity squared. I close it out, and this would equal, it's 9, and then you get this a minus b cubed. I'm not going to really bother too much with that. All right, then what do? You kind of simplify. And, what do I notice about it? I know that x and x is disappearing, and then you get 3a minus 3b. And I bet you know that that is 3 times a minus b. And then you get this thing in here. You would expand that thing in there. You'd get something there. What would you get? You would definitely get a quadratic. What would it equal? 9a minus b cubed. All right? Got some work to do here. You put it over here. I would probably divide both sides by a minus b just to simplify it. Divide both sides by 3. Again, you get something here. Then you get 3a minus b squared. I think you get the idea. You get this in over here. And again, my gut feeling is if you continue to move forward, I am hoping that you're going to get this thing over here. Is it work? It is work, right? After you do all that work, you're going to get what I think you should get, which is what I've been giving you over here. Then the question comes is, how do you do this? And I got to be honest with you, I do not think I would want to do the quadratic formula, but I'm not opposed to it. It's written down for you. They say what the A is to B and the C, and they go through it. I would just factor it. And what's factoring look like? It looks like x minus a, x minus b equals 0. And that would give you this over here. So what does that mean? X equals a or x equals b. And certainly, plugging that in, I would recommend plugging it in, by the way. And let me just take a look at that real quick. Let's do x equals a first. And what would you get? You get 2a minus 2b cubed minus, well, let's see, if x equals a, you get minus a plus b cubed, and that equals 9 a minus b cubed. All right. Well, I'm going to do something that might seem strange to you. I'm going to factor out a 2 from this first term, and that would actually be 8 then. And then I'd get a minus b cubed. And believe it or not, in the second term, I'm going to factor out a minus 1. And a minus 1 cubed would be minus 1, so minus and minus is plus. And then what I get? A minus b cubed. And that sure does equal 9a minus b cubed. And why is that? 8 plus 1 is 9. All right, so that worked out pretty good. And then, this one works. Let's try the b. It's really not that much different, by the way. And if I tried the b, what do I get? Well, the first term would give me a minus b cubed. And the second term would give me minus 2a plus 2b cubed. And this, they say, is equal to 9a minus b cubed. Well, I get, what do I get over here? I get a minus b cubed. Over here, I'm going to factor out a minus 2. When you cube that, you'd get minus 8. Well, minus 8 plus 8, and then you get a minus b cubed. That also works beautifully. All right, both answers work. A and B work beautifully. And they got those listed over here for you. Right, just one more. I know I say it quite often during this worksheet. It's a long one. My name is Ron Bannon. My email address is B as in boy, the @symbol, NNON.US. And again, if you see something, say something. Thank you.